Hi students, what we are going to learn today over here is about Unicode. What is Unicode? Unicode is a learning platform for Unikaksha. On this platform, you're going to learn your course. Your course is going to be conducted on this platform. On this platform, you'll have a lot of other activities like your assessments, your project, everything will be submitted on this platform. So how do we log in onto this today? Let me show you. All you need to do is first open a new fresh browser. You need to type in unikode.unikaksha.com, right? You click onto it and you come to this login page, right? Our support team will be sharing your login credentials and the password to each one of you, and you need to use that login credentials to log in into Unicode. So currently I have the username, right, and the password would be as given to you from our team, by our team, and that would be all you need to do is log in. Right? Once you log in, ensure to save the password. For the only reason, every time that you log in into Unicode, your password is saved and it's easy accessible to you. So once you come over here, you have something like green book. You just need to click onto the green book, and whichever course you are added in, you will have access to it, right? So what you need to do, click onto your course and it opens up this page. Over here, you will get to see your week 1 summary, right? This is your class link. So every day we will be not sharing the class link with you. You just need to go ahead, log in into Unicode, and as per the date, you need to click onto that. So for example, if you're looking at today's class, or if you're looking at a particular class, you just need to click onto this, click onto the big blue button. Once you do that, it will prompt you to join the session. Now what's going to happen is, suppose for any problem you're not able to attend the session, or you need to go through the recordings. Within 24 hours, they have the recording uploaded onto your platform. You just need to go back onto the same day that you're looking for, scroll down, and you have your sessions over here recorded. So you just need to click on presentation and it will open up your recording for that particular day. It takes probably good 10 to 15 seconds before it opens up, but this is how you can access the recordings. So if we go back, you can view any class. So what you need to do is click on the required day, click on the blue button. If you're joining the class, you just join the session. If you're looking into the recording, you need to scroll down and you have the recording over there. So this is how you join your class and how you view your recording. What all do we have over here is, you have your session, your doubt clearing session, as we mentioned. Then you have your exercise, right? Your mentors will tell you exactly when you need to do your exercise. So you need to come onto your Unicode, log in, and then you can do your exercise. Then it's all about that. You have your different topics, as they'll be covering different topics. All topics will be over here on your platform, right? With that, you'll also get to see your attendance. So all students will get a way to see to your attendance. So if you click on the attendance tab, it will give you access to your particular attendance. So this is what our learning platform is, Unicode. If you have any queries or you're not able to log in, and I repeat myself, your login credentials, the password will be shared by the support team, and you can always reach out to support team. If you have any, if you're stuck anywhere in the login, if you're not able to view recordings or anything that you're, not able to access, you can always get in touch with support and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.